Emmerdale star Samantha Giles has apologized to Gemma Collins after joking she'd punch her if they met in person. The soap favourite took to Twitter to explain that her joke had been misguided, and said she held her hands up to her wrongdoing. 2. Samantha apologized about the joke she made credit, splash. 2. It came after Gemma hit back against the comments credit, Instagram. Samantha, 50, gave her opinion on reality TV stars earlier this week, telling the Daily Star she hadn't got a clue who they were. But turning her attentions to Gemma, 41, she went on, "That Gemma Collins, I think I'd punch her if I ever came across her. I don't know, how can someone so talentless and revolting have made so much money? I wouldn't mind if she'd give it away and did something good with it, but all she seems to do is put more ass on her face and do her nails." Gemma was quick to hit back and reposted the interview on her Instagram story, adding, #BeKind. I don't find someone wanting to punch me a joke. She finished, "Nothing wrong with reality stars. We were all given an opportunity and we made the best out of it." But now, Samantha has apologized in a tweet, explaining that the comments had been taken out of context. "I'm aware that comments I made on a press red carpet have been taken out of the context I meant them, so I'd like to apologize to Gemma," she wrote. "I'd like to apologize for my misjudged jokes which I honestly didn't mean. I hope this apology is acceptable. Hands held up from me." It comes days after Gemma signed a huge £1 million deal with New Look as she is set to become the face of the brand. Insiders said the television star had been snapped up by the high street shop as their main celebrity ambassador in a lengthy and lucrative deal. The former TOWIE star signed her big money contract with New Look earlier this year and will make over 7 figures from the deal. A source said, "Gemma is big business and when New Look approached her for a collaboration they were willing to pay big money." The deal Gemma has signed makes her New Look's main celebrity ambassador and will also see her launching her own collection. Gemma's contract with New Look will go on for a long time, which is how she is easily going to make over £1 million. She is a huge fan of the company and shops in New Look herself, so she is the perfect person for them to partner with. Gemma is really proud of her connection to the brand and she can't wait for her fans to see what they have been working on. Gemma, who is dating Rami Hawash, found fame on TOWIE back in 2011. Since then her career has gone skywards and along with her own television shows, Gemma has made millions from clever business deals. Earlier this week she announced she had also created a range of sex toys with Durex and called for people not to be ashamed about self-love.